Guys, I tell you, man, I don't know what's going on out here these days, but even people are breaking into Benz trucks. You know, I don't know what I got in here that they're really desperate for, but so what's happened here is it was a while ago, probably about 6 months ago. You know, and I got nobody to blame but myself because I parked the Benz trucks on the street, but you know, I'm not big enough for a warehouse yet because the tax man keeps squeezing the taxes out of me. So anyway. Here we go. Check this out. So somebody tried to break in here and they ended up getting a couple batteries out here. I got my man Adam on it. He's my nephew and he knows how to work on this stuff, you know. He's an ASE certified mechanic and you know, I take him all my problems for my trucks. Which is a great thing. So anyway, hey, stay tuned. Maybe I'll show you what's going on. Well, here, hey, look at this here. He's already got it off. My goodness.
Part of it.
Let me get out of his way. You know, I don't know what's got to go on, but obviously, fortunately, the key still works, so we won't have to reprogram the key or anything like that. We just get a new thing, you know. But it's always something, huh? But hey, all right, John in Portland, Oregon here, getting the door fixed because somebody wanted to break in. Here's the new part he's going to be putting in, you know, about a $50 part, you know, and then his labor. It cost me about $125 today, $75 for his labor and $50 for. Looks like you got to have pretty small hands to get up in there. Huh? Looks like you gotta have pretty small hands to get up in there.
Sometimes.
Special tools and all. That screwdriver's even bent. Huh.
Yep. I don't know if he's gonna do his job though.
Trial and error. It's always trial and error, huh?
I'm trying to take a shortcut.
Well, I
surgery.
I'm not very good at explaining what he's doing because I'm not a mechanic. All I know is he's got my door tore apart. We've been walking back and forth getting all these different tools and
taking out the back bumper next.
He's going to take out the back bumper next, you know. May probably have to get out the welder and, you know, and the grinder and the cutter and all these other stuff, but he's starting to make some noise now. Watch out. Precision. That's what it was, folks.
We just break it off of there.
There it was. There it is. Got the dang thing out, but it broke. Look at that. Well, that's what happens when they break into things. They break them.
Yeah, I'm gonna go work on this lock and make it work really good.
Alright. That's what's happening. It's got the locking thing out. Gonna put that back in there. Yeah, look at that. Just like that, baby. Making sure that it works. It's a windy day today, Adam.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did.
Turned in the door lock.
Is that what it was?
I hit the button at the same time.
Oh.
Magic. See?
Right on. It works.
We've never done it that way before.
Right on.
That was awesome.
Learn something new every day. Look at that. Boy, isn't that nice? There's the whole thing right there. Boom, bam. Adam's the man. I got a handy talked to him, I wouldn't have been able to do this, you know? Well, you know, I'll tell you, I think I've even put my diggers and rock bars up because, you know, with 4 employees, 2 trucks on the road, you know, I just give them the diggers and the rock bar and tell them to go. So I got to keep them safe, you know, and if I can't lock my doors, it's not keeping them safe, you know. They got to stay safe, you know, because there's a lot of weird people out there, right? Well, they broke into my truck for a reason. I don't know. So I got to make them safe, you know. I can lock the door on when they're on their break. Lock the door on when it's on at night on the street, you know, because I don't have a warehouse yet. I'll get there. I'll get there. One day at a time. As soon as the tax man stops taxing me, I'll have more money to put down on a place.
You know what that's for?
What's that for?
For screwing on outlet covers.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Outlet cover. Okay, right on.
Inside the house.
That's right.
Okay.
Got it in there. Getting out of his way. I'm gonna put all this stuff back together. I told you guys, about 10 minutes, 20 minutes. He knows what he's doing. And he didn't have to break the sawzall out or the welder.
Talk about it though.
About done.
There's always one screw that has to hide.
Yeah, kind of like that cookie.
Notice that.
I did. Yeah, my employee was telling me, he's done, John, I had a cookie, I took it out, I dropped it, I couldn't find it. It's always that one cookie, it's that one screw, it's always. And it looks like I found it. So Aaron, I'm showing you, this is where your cookie's at, Bubba. It fell down right underneath your leg. Ants got it, ants are on it. Oh my goodness, look at all those ants on there. Are those ants or is it just black stuff?
It's dots.
Anyway, there you go. There you go. Now I'll be on the street for another day. Hopefully that, you know, just stay away, people will stay away and not break into, you know, things that they don't need or they're not theirs, you know. They may need it, who knows, I don't know. I don't know why they broke into it in the first place. The only thing they took was a battery. Oh, I told you about that in another video, didn't I? Yeah, a couple batteries, that was about it. There was money in there too, and they didn't take the money. But there ain't money in there anymore. We're taking all the batteries and everything else out, so they ain't getting nothing but a dead cookie. All right, I'll leave that cookie in there for you. So you come on along, break in. It cost me another $125 from my nephew to Adam. Of course, you know, he needs it too, you know, right? He needs money too, just like anybody else. So whatever, that's the way you're gonna treat me, it's fine. Life goes on. Anyway, we're done. Now I'm gonna go get an oil change so I can keep my guys on the road. That's what it's all about, building business, building a brand. Mending Broken Fences, Fix a Fence LLC, that's me, baby. Keep smiling, have a great day.